nag-iiyakan ng NPA ngayon. O itong sabi kasi ng ating AFP. Kaya masamang-masama ang loob ng ating NPA, ating NPA. NPA down to around 1,500 fighters. Good job, AFP. Palakpakan. Palakpakan po natin ang ating AFP. You're doing a really, 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 really good job. Good job kayo dyan sa AFP. Ang sabi, the Maoist New People's Army. Maoist na ngayon. Uy, ba't ayaw yung tawagin sa totoong pangalan nila? Communist Party of the Philippines. The CPP-NPA is now down to more or less 1,500. Sabi ng ating AFP. Good job, AFP. Good job. 1,500 na lang kayo. Kaya pala nag-iiyakan ng